4 Munster Camping Towels. Quick dry. The towel, which can be called good, comes to be significantly more important after one has gone outdoors, and this particular towel earns its place very quickly. It soaks water quickly, quick drying, and does not feel heavy or wet at any time during its use. The skin remains in contact with soft fabric instead of a stiff one which has been hardened due to time. Packing it into the smallest possible size takes almost no space, and this is a matter of greater importance than people normally think when every inch counts. Whether it is being used after rain, cleaning up, or basic hygiene, it stays reliable without demanding attention. It becomes one of those items that you reach for automatically over time. Comfort is often derived from small consistencies, and this towel is consistent at that. Or Blue 4-in-1 Camping Utensils 2-pack. This camping utensils set is all about efficiency rather than excess. Merging multiple tools into one compact form reduces the number of items without losing any of their help. Each function seems to be purposefully built, not awkwardly forced into the design. Carrying 2 sets gives you the flexibility whether you are sharing a meal or keeping a spare one with you. The materials seem to be strong enough for repeated use without bending or wearing down. Eating is more enjoyable when the utensils function as you expect them to. This set gradually supplants the disposable options without any effort, and it becomes part of your daily cadence. Mountain House Beef Lasagna 2 servings. Food quality affects morale more than most people admit, and this meal understands. The flavor reminds of home and is pretty much one of those satisfying meals that are not just for emergencies. Thanks to its simplicity, it occupies the least of your time and delivers a very filling result. The size of the dinner is perfect for either spreading or sharing. The mouthfeel and the flavor are better than anticipated, especially after a long day. As a result, eating something hot and familiar changes the moment's vibe. It brings back the notion that comfort is not lost, but rather is hidden under the surface by changing the circumstances. Techium Paracord Rope 1,000 feet. This paracord is the definition of versatility to its fullest extent. The mere length provides the user a wide range of options while allowing the full use of the product without the need to ration. The rope seems strong, elastic, and reliable for various jobs. It comes off the reel neatly, takes up little storage space, and can be pulled out without the risk of it getting tangled. The availability of a big supply makes one more open-minded to solving problems. It is a resource that, with time, becomes a basic necessity rather than an item with a limited usage. Tools that can adapt to various needs are less visible but share the same purpose of empowering people in unpredictable situations. Rechargeable LED Headlamp 2-pack. Dependable lighting is a must when darkness comes, and the 2 headlamps make a big difference in your feeling of security. The power output of each lamp is strong and focused, and it remains the same even when the person is moving around. The rechargeable feature has made long-term usage simple, since there won't be a constant battery management hassle. The comfort of the fit does not diminish even after long hours of wearing. The settings are arranged in a very user-friendly manner, making it easy to reach for the setting without getting distracted. Eventually, the headlamps are your companions rather than extra equipment. Proper lighting leads to better awareness and faster, as well as easier decisions. GLOX Round Glow Markers 4-pack. The glow markers take care of the visibility issue silently and efficiently. They become reference points forever once put on the spot. No power and attendance required. Their round shape helps people to easily find the right spot on any gear, trail, or important item. The glow is bright enough to see but not too much to be a nuisance. Their use prevents needless searching and confusion in the dark. Gradually, they transform into a well-organized system instead of being alongside accessories to the main one. Precise visible markers accelerate the process and lessen the intellectual burden. Jumer Solar Fairy Lights 2-pack. These lights are the perfect combination of the aesthetics and functionality part without adding any complexity. The fact that they work on solar power eliminates the problem of having to plug them in or charge them frequently. The very gentle light that they give off assures you proper visibility, and at the same time, it does not create an atmosphere of tension. Their flexible placement facilitates the easy and quick adaptation to different setups. They are strong enough for outdoor use repeatedly. Eventually, they are going to change the atmosphere of the shared areas into a more comfortable area. Light affects mood, and mood affects stamina. Gigalumi, solar lanterns. 4-pack. This pack highlights synchronization through the light of 4 different sources. The lanterns absorb sunlight during the day and give off smooth, bright light at night. The placement options give you the chance to spread out the light really smartly instead of getting one place only. The overall look is strong and able to stand up against any weather. Slowly but surely, they become one with your surroundings. Having more lanterns gives you the option to do more things, but it won't take you more time. The systems that work silently in the background are the ones that facilitate good habits. H-Coper, Ferro, Rod Fire, Starter. This fire starter is all about trustworthiness rather than ease of use. It does its job very well all the time and doesn't use any source of fuel or power. The rod is so powerful that it generates a big spark every time it is used, and it continues to do so for long. The size is so small that it can be easily tucked away in one's pocket while still being the powerful thing it is. Trust has to be built through the use rather than through shortcuts. It is a reliable fallback rather than a gadget to be used once in a while. Simple tools that are capable of doing the job even under pressure gain the user's trust for long. Extra Star LED Camping Lanterns. 2-pack. The paired lanterns bring lighting that is well distributed and not too much at the same time. Each light produces a uniform glow that is perfect for both tense and common places. Very intuitive controls that happen to be easy to use allow fast and hassle-free operation. Battery performance is very good and lasts through long nights. Having one lantern encourages reasonable placement of light instead of using it all up. The lanterns over time become part of the routine of the night in the household. Consistent illumination enables smooth and peaceful changes of the environment from daylight to moonlight. If the list has overcome your old ideas regarding practical gear selection, please do not hesitate to like the video, thus making it possible for others who appreciate being prepared to see it too. Subscribe to get more detailed analyses aimed at practical usefulness. Feel free to leave a comment telling us which item is your favorite or which one you would like to add to the list next. Careful preparation is the way to build confidence little by little. Do not change your routine, always be prepared and gradually discover what suits you best.